Hi, my name is Chris Marchundi, and today I'll be presenting our app which detects symptoms of neurodegenerative disease like Parkinson's. I created the app alongside my teammates Sanjeev Prasad and Jeffrey Zhao, and here I'll be running the app on an Android phone for my demonstration. So the app shows multiple tests to the users to see if he or she shows symptoms of a disease over time. So here I'm going to be opening the app, and this is the start screen. It just prompts the user with some simple directions and tells them to type in their age, which is important since disease progresses with age. So now in the first test, as you can see, I have 50 seconds to type anything that comes to mind about this randomly generated image, in this case a soccer ball. So I like to play soccer with my friends. Last week, my favorite team won the championship while I was watching on TV from my couch. So now I'm going to type a very simple short sentence that mimics the structure of someone with Parkinson's disease. So soccer is fun. So when that 50-second timer runs out, as it's about to, I'm going to get a prompt to go to the next screen. And there it is, so click next. So this is the same thing as before, but this time I have to talk instead of type. So I used to have a dog named Rover when I was younger. Rover had brown and black fur. Rover and I used to go to the park, so it's very similar. Rover and I used to go to the park when we were younger. Rover loved to play fetch and something like that. So this app, it converts the speech to text and then go to the next test. And in this test, I have to hold the phone as still as possible, which I'm not going to do because people with neurodegenerative diseases typically have hand tremors. So I'm going to shake the phone. As you can see on the screen, the accelerometer data is going crazy because I'm shaking the phone so much. And eventually it's going to be over. And now I click results. And now the app is calculating the scores. So the text from test 1 is analyzed for reading grade level, which decreases with the disease. The recording is analyzed for pitch, vibration, and emotional state with an API we used called Deep Effects. And finally, the vibration from the hand is scaled and calculated since hand tremors are very common among people with diseases like Parkinson's and Alzheimer's. So as you can see, there's the scores on the screen, and I did pretty good on the first two, and I got a 0 on the last test because I was shaking a lot. And as you can see, it also says that my scores were decreasing because the two I did before the video were the baseline, and as you can see, the score got worse on third time, which means that my symptoms are progressively getting worse, which means I have a higher risk of a neurodegenerative disease. And we hope this app will be more widespread in the future, and thanks for watching the video.